Nandito na tayo sa mga basak-basakan, mga palayan. Look. Good morning mga tita. So today nakapagsimba na kami. Now mag-impake na tayo ulit. Ang mga anak ko lagi talaga katulog sa akin. Ako na lang. You said that two we're going. It's bloody 3:50. Dugay pa man mag alas 4. Gagwapan ako ni kahulat to. Buwas pa ta malakat. Baka pagbalik namin wala na ito. Oh, di ba gwapa? Ginatira na ng mga birds. Ay salamat, malakat na talaga kami oy. Huwag niyo kong biyaan. Ay, wrong one. So finally, is paalis na talaga kami. Hi! Yung last time nagbiyahe kami ng Adelaide, tita, very brown yan siya. So this time, very green na naman. Gusto ko talaga yun dyan na sidewalk. What sort of crop is that there?
Could be potatoes, could be... I can't make it out from the other. There's not a lot of thing.
Wagwa, pati so green. Yan, fresh na fresh. Puro sila lahat na bisbisan ngayon, kaya lagi nga nagaulan. Dami tanaw mo, no? Nice, oh. Kasi nagaulan, nag-alawas-awas. Ang wala, grabe the water, have a look da.
Swamp.
Nakatulog ko, diba? Si Inday, oh. Time is 5:11, so we will get to Adelaide. What time da? Midnight. So nandito na tayo sa area, tita, na maraming mga kahoy. So mag-watch out na tayo ng mga kangaroo before magtunod yung adlaw. Before magbaba ang araw. So ngayon tingnan nyo. Ayan. Puro lang yan siya kakahuyan dito, tita. And then minsan yung mga bigatlan ng mga kangaroo, magkanya-kanya lang yan sila ng luksuhan dyan. So dapat maging bantay ka ba. So hindi kami nag-stop sa town na una para may araw pa kami. may araw din kayo sa akin. Before kami mag-reach dito sa pinakamalaki na town, dapat agapan namin ba. Agahan. Na-remember ko before, every time mag-visit kami dito kay Lola from Melbourne ba, ito yung makita ko pag hapon na, oh, and then we naghahambal ang mga bata na ay lapit na lang magtunod ang adlaw, and then lapit na tayo kay Lola. Ngayon ay susdugay pa talaga kami makahalin dito. Bago pa nga lang kami naghalin, mga ilang oras pa lang, pero sakit na yung buli. Kukuha pa, oh. Welcome to Australia, tita, where puro lang kakahuyan makita mo.
So significant about Elton John's musical history. What happened in every decade of his musical history?
Wow, ganda.
In his 50 years of performing, what happened in every 10 years? Amazing.
6 hours pa, tita. Abalo, tita, kaganda-ganda. Yan. Oops. Oop. Nakita niyong moon? Don't smile there, Dad. It's only for the moon. No, it's far. Where is it? Yeah, look at the moon. Oops. Malapit na, tita, magdilim. On that side, tita, makita nyo, how do you call that one daw?
It's a
quarry?
Open quarry, yeah.
Open quarry.
Because it's not.
Hindi mo masyado makita, no? This one, makita mo na siya masyado.
Look, there's a house down there.
No, it's an office level, I think.
Before, no, yung first time ko makita yan, super taas yan. Ngayon, medyo na-flattened na lang konti. Nakita nyo yung moon, tita, so big, oh. Tapos ito yung aming driver, oh. Ayan. So time check is 5:38. Tapos in the street namin diyan, sarap ng kanyang tulog. Walang didisturbo-disturbo. Kanina pa yung ka-complain. Complain. Alright, we are approaching Wayala.
All the way in the distance over there.
Dito kami magkain muna ng dinner namin while bilog pa yung bulan. Pwede tayo mag-rest dyan. Is it full moon today? Tonight? Gising na po yung aming Disney princess.
She woke up from her princess nap.
You can see it. The moon's coming to your nose. So malapit na tayo sa town para makapag-dinner na. Yun yung town. Oh, may mga ilaw-ilaw.
Sparkle. Hey, the moonlight.
So makita yung may nagasuga-suga dyan. We're approaching the police.
We're chasing her.
Belt on and shred, Celeste. Okay,
We're
good.
chasing, actually.
We don't want to be in trouble.
They pulled over something.
We're in Wayala. So we're here sa Wayala, tita. Are we going for gasolina, da?
No, just
No?
gonna go to the toilet.
Sus, wala gay pagkaon. Okay, tita, it's our first stop. So we're here for the toilet and then magunat-unat. And we'll buy some drink and we head off again. Alright, bumbahan muna natin ng sugar mga girls para may energy sila sa biyahe. Sugar pa more. Bili tayo dito, tita, para may kitkitin tayo sa car. Tapos isa nito. 247 naman.
Against the famous.
Oh.
What?
So magdaan muna kami dito sa kapatid ni Uncle, tita. So halfway na kami to Adelaide. Pahinga muna ka mga 15 minutes lang. Alright, bye-bye!
Bye.
See ya!
Bye.
Bye, bestie. See you guys.
Bye!
Put the windows down. What are you doing?
We're getting
So nag-meeting kami dito kung ano bang kainin namin yung gabi.
Decisions, guys. Decisions.
Decision ka mo, bitin kita maliko sa dira sa ano, yellow or sa pula. Don't mention the name kay love ko to.
Well, how
Sige,
about-
mapulit na
how
lang
about-
kita kag laswa.
How about tonight? We haven't had it for a while. How about we have
Don't
Macca's tonight?
mention.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, your Macca's is
We
fine.
haven't had it for a while. What might we go?
Alright, let's go to Macca's, Dawn.
Yeah.
Ay, sa wakas nakalabas din sila. Ay, di mga 1 hour talaga siyan sila ba? Tagal-tagal, gid. Okay, tita, we're stopping here for a minute to eat dinner and then off we
But
go.
they're not sharing the breakfast stuff.
That is having a Big Mac.
Dad's
Ashed,
having a
she's
mini-
bigger. What about you,
I
Celeste?
got mozzarella cheese dip only for me.
And mommy is having a wrap.
Can I get
Okay, bye-bye.
So,
See you tomorrow.
it was 40.